Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to give you all a tour of the bathrooms within our newly remodeled home. We've got 3.5 bathrooms and each has its own unique style and functionality. So let's just go ahead and dive in and get a closer look. So first up, we actually have our half bathroom, which is on the main floor, of course. Just a quick disclaimer, this bathroom is actually not yet complete. I'll be posting a follow-up video within the next few weeks when the room is completely done, so you can see exactly what it looks like and we can kind of look at it together. But I'm really excited for when we'll be done. But anyway, with this room, we decided to do something a little different than the rest of our home. We really wanted to go with this luxurious, elegant, and sophisticated feel. And I feel like we were really able to execute what we were looking to do by painting the entire room dark. We use Iron On by Sherwin-Williams, and it is such a stunning color. It just brings this depth and dimension to the room. Before, the room was so flat and just didn't have any character. So this color really brings in that drama and that character that we're looking to find in the room. I absolutely love how it turned out. As far as other fixtures within the room, we did decide to swap out the toilet. We put a new toilet, nothing fancy, a basic toilet that you can pick up at Home Depot or Lowe's. Swap that out, and we added in a new vanity as well. We decided to go with a lighter colored vanity just to balance out the colors. If we went with something that was too dark, I do feel we would have had a room that felt a little bit cramped and didn't have much space. So this balanced it out really, really beautifully, and it looks so good. We are going to be adding in a gold brim arch mirror above the vanity that's going to look stunning. You guys know I love gold, so obviously I went with gold fixtures, a gold faucet. We're going to be adding some gold pools to the vanity as well. So we're actually going to be replacing the light fixture in this area with this stunning gold cluster pendant light fixture. I'm actually really excited about this project because we're actually going to be doing it ourselves. So pray for us. Hopefully it looks good afterwards. We are going to be adding paneling, wood paneling throughout the room, just like we kind of did in our bedroom and our son's bedroom. Up the staircase, we have it as well. We decided to do ourselves because the contractor that we've used all throughout our house for that type of project, he's actually moving. So instead of finding someone else, we said this might not be too big of a project, so maybe we can tackle it and do something good ourselves. So we'll see how it turns out. I did pick up a few items from Home Goods. I just love this little set. It's actually not a set. These are all separate at Home Goods, and I was able to piece them together to create this really sleek design with the hand soap and maybe put some cotton swabs or something in there. I love this candle that I picked up from Home Goods as well. This room is small, but it's mighty. I really do feel like when you walk into this bathroom, you're gonna be like, oh shoot, like look what you did in here. Like this is nice. Like the rest of your home don't look like this, but I love this. So I'm excited to see what the final look is going to turn out, how it's going to turn out, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's just go ahead and move on to the next bathroom. So next we actually have our son's bathroom. I absolutely love how this bathroom turned out. I think it turned out so perfect and really perfect for kids and perfect for our son and the space that he will need. And when we have another kid in the future, it will be the perfect space for two of them because we only want two kids anyway. But yeah, like I said, this bathroom turned out so well. And here we actually decided to go with a freestanding tub and a shower system to go along with it. Now, those two things you actually won't typically see together, but we really wanted to have a bit of luxury and practicality at the same time. So we were able to speak to our contractor, and he was able to work out a plan that worked with us and fit into what we desired for our home. And I absolutely love how it turned out. It looks so good. Freestanding tubs are just stunning. They're gorgeous. I love them so much. I did not think that was something that I could have in my house, or at least in this house. for now, but we were able to make it work. So I'm so glad we were able to do that. Now, since we did know that this bathroom would end up being the bathroom that we would use for our children, we decided to go with items that were durable and easy to clean. So we went with this stunning porcelain tile on the walls within the shower area and on the floors as well. It has this beautiful blue marbling throughout. It is perfect for a little boy. It's perfect for our Che Che that we absolutely love. He's amazing. We're not going to get into that, but it's perfect for him and it looks so beautiful. I love how it turned out. Now, we did decide to add a double vanity in this bathroom that had exposed shelving at the bottom. I'm not sure if you're able to see it in this where I'm at right now, but it does have exposed shelving because, let's be real, kids have a lot of stuff. And I just knew ahead of time, even before we were pregnant, because I don't know, I might have been pregnant towards the end of them completing this bathroom, but I knew they were going to have a lot of stuff and I knew I would need a lot of storage. So we had this perfect vanity that would have enough space on the bottom. And once we have two kids, they would each have their own space on this countertop. I did decide to go with a brushed nickel with all of the fixtures on the light, on the sconces, on the mirror, just because I felt like it really did go best with that blue marbling on the tile within the floor and the walls, and it really did bring everything together. Zircon from Sherwin-Williams is a paint that's all throughout our house mostly, so we just stuck with that color because it matched this room best, I feel. I'm so happy and proud with how this bathroom turned out. I really do feel like it is the perfect kids bathroom and I absolutely love it. As far as decor, we kept it pretty simple. It is, like I said, it's our Che's bathroom, so I don't know if he likes space and all that. I basically have just said he likes space. So I went with a space theme. So we have the astronaut on the wall and the little astronaut on his toothbrush holder. But yeah, this is the bathroom. I love it so, so much. So let's go ahead and get on to the next bathroom. Now for my favorite, our primary in-suite bathroom. Now, if there is one thing that I love, it is the spa. I absolutely love the spa. There has not been a spa that I've gone into that I didn't absolutely love and adore. I just love how calming and relaxed I feel when I walk into one, how it smells when I walk into one. Everything about a spa I absolutely love, and I knew that's what I wanted my bathroom to feel like when I come home every day and when I wake up in the mornings and I have to use our shower. I want it to have somewhat of an experience of the spa, and that's a quick tidbit or tip for you guys if you're remodeling your home. Think about things that you enjoy and how you want to feel in your space rather than how you want it to look. A lot of times we can go on social media, Pinterest, Google, wherever, and find so much inspiration on how we want a space of ours to look when we're remodeling. But when you really go in depth of about who you are and what you like and how you feel in certain places and experiences, that's how you can really truly create a space for you that you will absolutely adore and love and probably like longer, because a lot of times our styles change over time. But if you find something that you truly adore and like, you will love your space a lot longer and really be able to create something that you absolutely adore. And that's what we did in this bathroom, as close as I could. You guys may look at it and say, oh, that doesn't really feel like a spa. But to me, I was able to somewhat create that feeling that I get every time I walk into one. So let's go ahead and start with the shower and what we did here. As a whole, with the bathroom, there isn't much space. So we really wanted to find a way to maximize all the areas within this room and create a very open, airy, and spacious room. So we were able to do that by really gutting the entire bathroom and starting just from scratch. We had a blank canvas, which was really exciting to work with. And I forgot to mention, but we did the same thing with our son's bathroom as well. We gutted that entire bathroom and started from scratch. When we gutted the shower area, I did see the piping had a lot of area behind it. So I actually had our contractor push our piping back, and then we had soffits at the top. So we had those removed, making the entire shower a lot larger than it originally was. We have so much more space after removing those soffits and soffits and pushing that piping back. We did add this really nice, comfortable bench in the shower just so it can have some comfortable seating while if you get a little tired while you're showering, or if you have to shave your legs. I don't know, for whatever reason, we did add this seating, and I think it turned out really, really nicely. As far as the walls, we did add a porcelain tile, again, with some gray marbling throughout. And for the flooring, I'm not sure if you're able to see it where I am right now, but we did go with a mosaic tile just to break up that tile and add a bit of visual interest. You guys know I'm the gold girl. I love gold. So, of course, I went with gold detailing for fixtures all throughout the bathroom, as well as in the shower, down to the wall jets and the rainfall shower, even the outline on the glass door. Just to talk a little bit about the door, we did decide to go with a hingeless glass door just to really play into that space piece, to make the room feel really airy and very open, and to really maximize that space again, because now it kind of feels like the shower is in the room. It's not broken up as much. We have this beautiful gold rimmed round mirror above the vanity, these stunning sconces that I just love so much. We purchased them from Homery. As soon as I saw them, I was like, oh, I have to have those for our bathroom, because I just knew they were going to look amazing. We went with a double vanity just so we have more space. Now, Buddy would say we didn't need two vanities because I take both sides, but I think he's lying, because I really only use one side. That's what I feel like. But he says that's not true. We did decide to add this painting here on this wall because it was just a blank wall. We had nothing on here. Just to really bring all those colors, that gold in here, and bring everything together, just to continue with that spa feel that we're looking to create in this room. So yes, that is our primary en-suite bathroom. This is absolutely my favorite bathroom within our home. I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it as well. Let's just go ahead and head down to our last bathroom. So we're actually in the final bathroom within our home. I actually really wish Buddy was here, because I would rather him talk about this bathroom, because we're currently in the man cave and this is his space. But since he's not here, I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Now, this bathroom actually was not originally in our home. We added this bathroom into the lower level of our home. It was originally a storage space, and was a big enough space to go ahead and add an additional bathroom. And we really thought it worked best for our desires, what we needed, and it definitely adds a ton of value into this home. Let's just go ahead and get started with what we did. So we again did a frameless glass shower door right here in the corner of the bathroom, just to keep that open and airy space. Since it is a masculine shower and it is for a man, we did go with that black hardware, a lot different than what we have everywhere else in the house. And I think the black hardware really fits in with, a man cave and what you would want down here for him. Now, on the walls in the shower, we do have a porcelain tile. It does have the black, gray marbling throughout, and we have the same thing on the floors within this room as well. Now, if I'm honest, I will say this is probably one of my least favorite vanities within our home. We did purchase this off of Wayfair. I don't know if we just didn't really look at the reviews to really see what the quality was and to see how other people liked it. I don't know what happened, but we really dropped the ball on really getting something that we liked. I think we just saw this floating sink here and we just really wanted it, because I know we wanted this style, but when we got it, it was subpar. The quality of this is subpar. The mirror doesn't really look great. So we might at some point, it's definitely not in the near future, it would just be something that we do at some point within the future, add in a new vanity in this bathroom and add a new mirror here as well. But it's definitely not on our more important lists of things that we have to do within our home. I'm not sure if you can see it in this capture it right where I'm standing, but there is exposed piping throughout this bathroom because it is in our lower level. It's in the basement area. So we had to work around that piping, but I'm glad it was still able to work out. But yeah, this is the bathroom. I overall am happy with how it turned out. I still think it's a great bathroom, and it's great for guests and for my hubby and what he does, what he needs down here for himself. So that's a completed tour of the bathrooms within our newly remodeled home. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I certainly enjoyed showing you all around. As always, thank you so much for joining me and taking the time out your day to watch my little video. And I'll see you guys in the next video next week. Bye.